Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be talking about the super battery saver mode, which has been recently added with a new update in the Realme X2 Pro device. So recently I did a video on the update on the Realme X2 Pro. So where in that update there are so many features which got added, and in this video I'll be just focusing only on the super battery power saving mode. So if you are interested to check that what are the updates and features, you can watch that video if you are interested. So let's get started with the super battery saving mode. What are the features it does have, and meanwhile I'll try to compare with the ultra battery saving mode which got added in the MIUI 12 in the Redmi K20 Pro. So just a comparison little bit. So if you want to download this wallpaper, do check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. So from there directly you can download. So to access the super battery saving mode, you need to go to the battery. So under the power saving mode, now you got the additional option of having the super power saving mode. You can see here. So when you compare with the normal power saving mode and the super power saving mode, there's only a few hours difference. That's a not huge difference, that's a little bit of difference. So let me try to show you the same situation in the Redmi K20 Pros in the MIUI 12. So where there is a huge difference between the battery saver mode and the ultra battery saver mode. You can see here 56 hours remaining and 340 hours 16 minutes remaining. You can see the difference, but here if you use this power saving and super power saving, there is not that much huge difference. But practically I did not use this feature for a very long time to test the durability, but definitely what I'll do is that for the next couple of days I'll try to use this super battery saving mode, and I'll see in one day how much the battery will be decreased by using the single SIM. So once you enable this super battery saving mode, so it won't take that much of time. It just took about 5 seconds of time to enable this feature. So right now in the ultra battery saving mode in the Redmi K20 Pro, so let me show you. It takes a little bit of time in terms of activating this kind of feature. So where each and everything will be decreased and disabled, as you can see here. So right now this is the interface how it looks in both the smartphones, Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X2 Pro device. So you do get this kind of option. So here you can add up to 9 applications in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So you can add any application, there is no limit, only few applications are supported like that. So you can add every application in this phone. So same thing in the Realme X2 Pro as well. You can add all the applications from the smartphone without any problem at all, but you do get only 6 applications, not the 9 applications like in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So usually when you use the ultra battery saving mode, we'll prefer to use normal calls, text messages and WhatsApp and few of the applications only, so it doesn't matter much. So right now let me try to disable this feature, and let's see how fast and how quick it will change. So right now you can see exit. So it's very fast. It just took about 1 second to change from normal ultra power saving mode to the normal mode. So let me try to exit this one as well. So just a comparison. As you can see, it's still loading. So overall in terms of the having this feature is very much helpful nowadays, because after the Realme UI update, most of the Realme X2 smartphones, they are very much struggling in terms of the battery. So maybe at the end of the day, if you are having the 15 or 20%, then you can enable this option. So that will be the best another scenario. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more information I'll be describing in the next videos on the latest update features. So stay tuned by subscribing and following my channel every day, so to get notified. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.